So between sicknesses and storms, I have yet to make a plan to go grocery shopping. And this week, finally, things seem to be turning around, and I decided to go ahead and sit down and see where I'm at with shopping. And usually where I shop to do couponing and combine sales is at Stop and Shop, and they had nothing good this week, nothing worth going there for. And if you don't catch a sale and coupon there, it's pretty expensive to shop there. So I am skipping them for this week, but I still do need to shop. So I'm heading into Walmart right now and just grabbing what I need, because I figure this is the closest to sale prices that I'm gonna get, that's gonna have everything that I'm looking for, because if you go to like a Save-A-Lot or a Price Right or an Aldi, you're limited to what you're gonna get there. So that's that. I think it's so cute how the Peeps come out with all these flavors every year. Back when I was a kid, it was just one straight up flavor. Who else got their free box of Nice and Easy hair color from Pinch Me this month in the free sample box? It's up to $8.99 and Walmart has it for $6.92. So I'm getting it completely free. Alright, so here we go. First, let's start off with this big box of Fruity Pebbles. It is a 1 pound, 7 ounce box. Just got that until I can coupon, so it's pretty big. I don't know. Depends on how much cereal he eats. He can go through it pretty quick, but he requested something different than Cocoa Pebbles this time. So he mentioned Fruity Pebbles, so there it is. And then this is going to be the non-food items. The hair color. And I got some spray paints because I've got a lot of projects going on. I'm changing a few of the decor in my home. Just trying to lighten everything up. If you want to see that, let me know. And I just got some flat, soft iron spray paint. I got the linen white chalked. Now, I was debating whether to get this one or the other one. It was creamy something. I went back and forth for my TV stand, but then ultimately I did decide to get the white. And then I got just a clear one because I need it for some things that I'm spray painting, but I want to have like a shine. And then I grabbed a mayo, which was $2.98, which I could get cheaper couponing, but I have mayo, but I don't have the stand-up kind that I like to keep in the refrigerator door. So I just grabbed one like for sandwiches, and then when I make like salads, I use the fat ones there, the tubs. But these I like to have on hand for sandwiches. And then for projects, some command hooks. I'm most likely going to spray paint these with this. And then I got some rechargeable batteries because I have a lot of things that run on batteries. So it makes sense just to get a charger, and I got some extra batteries to go with it. Now I have a charger, but I don't know if it is supposed to be for regular batteries or rechargeable batteries. It was given to me, so the batteries doesn't seem to be taking charge. So I don't even know, can you charge regular batteries, or does it have to be rechargeable batteries to recharge? So I just bit the bullet and I bought it because it is something that I use all the time. So it's worth it to not have to keep repurchasing. And then, if you're not a fan of junk food, look away, because this is the I probably shouldn't have bag, but nevertheless, I thought these were, I don't want to say cute because you eat them, but yeah, cute, They smell just like vanilla cupcakes, just like birthday cake. Totally bad for any of us in the house, but I've never seen it before, and I just wanted to give it a try. And it's like those little pies, like those little Drake pies there, the little, little little fruit pies. So you get 9, I believe, in here. So I don't know. Just give it a try. And it's my birthday this month, so perfect. I haven't had these in so long, and they are delicious. I love the Country Kitchen donuts. Cut these up and toast them with the butter. Oh my goodness. So I've been craving them, so I got them. And then hello, a limited edition, look at that, hot cocoa rolls. Need I say more? Just got some little candies, cookies and cream for the table. I usually like to have like seasonal candy on the table. And then I got some cheese per request of the boy. And I got another 3 of these. I got them last time I was at Walmart too. The boys like them. This one is chocolate chip cookie crunch and peanut butter. And this one I believe is cookies and cream. These are $1.97 each. And then the very last, oh no, not the last thing. I did it again. I always do that. I have 2 more items besides this one. And then I just got this big piece of the Steakhouse mushroom pork loin fillet. I tried to get the biggest piece they have because these tend to go down to nothing once you cook them. I've bought these before and they're really good. So I'm pretty much out of meats. I went through everything that I had, so I'm trying to get a little stocked up to be able to at least meal plan. I didn't see any of the meats here that I wanted to purchase. I usually don't like buy Walmart meats anyway, but I do like these. And obviously that's not something from Walmart. You get it strictly from Smithfield, so I grabbed that for dinner. And then the last 2 items that I got were, well, soda and iced tea. And it was just a 12-pack of Mountain Dew. I don't drink that. The boys do. And I don't drink this either. The boys do. My son requested 12-pack of Brisk. And that was it for Walmart. I still do need to do a thorough grocery haul. But until I can get a good sale, I'm just picking up things that I need or kind of want. And that's it. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.